Good morning, my dear students, well wishers. Step into our channel once again. Now we are going to discuss about the problem connected to trigonometry. This is the topic trigonometry, which is asked in NTSC 2016-17 under the section of SAT. It is also meant for SSC of both the states AP and TS, at the same time NCERT. I hope that you will like this video now. It's very important, very interesting. You can also expect this type of questions in Olympiads also. So let us start now. So if sin A plus cos A is equal to root 2 of here sin of 90 minus A, then we have to evaluate the value of root 2 plus 1 into tan A. So obviously this is a non-routine, but it's very easy, not so difficult. Let us start. So consider given sin A plus cos A is equal to root 2 into sin of 90 minus A. So using this one we have to obtain the value of root 2 plus 1 into tan A. So let us start now. This implies sin A plus cos A is equal to root 2. This is in the form of sin of 90 minus theta, complementary angles here, trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Sin of 90 minus theta is cos theta. So I can write here cos theta is nothing but A here. So now this implies sin A is equal to root 2 into cos A minus cos A. So cos A transposed to this side, it becomes minus cos A. So here what is the reason I got here cos A, since sin of 90 minus theta is cos theta. This is our formula under trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. So this implies now I can write here sin A is equal to, here you have two terms. In the two terms you can take cos A as common. So cos A into root 2 minus 1. Cos A is nothing but 1 into cos A. So I can write here into 1 or 1 into cos A. Taking cos A as common, root 2 minus 1. So with the knowledge of factorization, this step we have been got here. So you should aware of your factorization of 7th and 8th class also. So our requirement is what? To find out the value of root 2 plus 1 into tan A. Okay. So if you observe carefully, the operation between cos A and root 2 minus 1 is nothing but multiplication. Cos A transposed to this side becomes division. So now sin A by cos A is equal to root 2 minus 1. So sin A by cos A, quotient rule of trigonometric ratios, I can write here. This implies tan A is equal to sin theta by cos theta is tan theta is equal to root 2 minus 1. But this is not our final answer, because we have to evaluate the value of root 2 plus 1 into tan A, not just tan A. So in order to obtain before tan A we have root 2 plus 1. So multiplying throughout this equation with root 2 plus 1. So therefore I can write now root 2 plus 1 into tan A is equal to root 2 minus 1 plus 1 into root 2 minus 1. So LHS same itself, we had to evaluate root 2 plus 1 into tan A, that itself. If you observe carefully here, this takes the form of A plus B into A minus B, A square minus B square. So I can write now root 2 the whole square minus 1 square, since A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square. This is a formula I applied here. So root 2 whole square is 2 minus 1 square is 1, finally gives you 1. So therefore the value of the required expression. Hence, I can write root 2 plus 1 into tan A is equal to 1. So if you observe carefully, it's very simple. No need to fear by seeing the question. Just go through the basic steps of algebra. Okay. And you will get the answer. So here I used here a plus b into a minus b. So sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. So here I can write multiplying both sides by root 2 plus 1. So multiplying, we are going to get this one. So in this way, the important problem of trigonometry has been discussed. This has been asked in NTSC 2016-17, also meant for 10 board syllabus, KTS and AP, also for NCERT, various Olympiad examinations. So go through carefully, you can have a look. I hope so you enjoyed a lot here with this video. It's very simple. So after watching the video, if you feel good, you can like, share and subscribe our S Square Maths YouTube channel. Thank you.